Room 7302, Kidani Village, 1-bedroom villa. The first bathroom. Got sink, mirror. All of your H2O products are going to be right here. Extra towels, extra toilet paper, tissue, all that good stuff is going to be located underneath the sink. Here is your tub and shower. This is a good spot to give toddlers baths because you'll see in the master, the shower or the tub is very, very deep and it's hard to give your kid a bath in it. Got some hooks. And then directly across is where you're going to do your laundry. You get a hamper, a vacuum cleaner, you have a mop back here, broom, your dustpan, soaps included. You get 2. You can always ask for more, they're normally pretty generous about it. And then here is the living room. We park our stroller over here. This is a lock off, so I believe this can be a 2-bedroom. And then, as you can see, these rooms are huge. I love Kidani Village. It's such a nice, big 1-bedroom. So you have 2 stools right there with your kitchenette. You have a table that can very comfortably seat 4 or 5 people. This room will sleep 5. So you have 2 here on the sleeper sofa. You have 1 on that sleeper chair over there. You have storage underneath the TV. And then in the kitchen, you have a dishwasher. There's your sink. All rooms come with dish soap, a sponge, 2 things of finish, towels. You get a toaster, ice bucket. You have some outlets over here. This is for the garbage. I believe this, nope, hold on. That one's the garbage disposal. I'm just telling you guys because when we first rented this room for the first time, we looked for it for like 10 minutes and we couldn't find it because we had covered it with the dish rack. Okay, so in here, you have another towel. You have some stuff to get some hot stuff out of the oven. Oven mitts. Silverware. I'm gonna check. I think I might actually be missing some stuff. Hold on. Here we go. Here's your knives, can opener, utensils, tongs, coffee pot, cream and sugar dispensers, which I still don't understand why they give you these to you. I don't know anybody that's gonna bother using those. You get 3 packs of regular coffee, 1 pack of decaf, creamer, cups, wine glasses. Here's your microwave. There's nothing up here. This is normally where we put chips and stuff. Let me see. If you want to make sure that you got everything that you were allotted, make sure to check this list. It will list off every single item that you're supposed to have in the room. Last time that we stayed, we were missing quite a few things, which I know happens. Things just go missing or they break and they don't get replaced. There's plates. Pots and pans. Let's see if we have 1 pan. See, this is what I'm talking about. I'm missing a larger pan. I should have 1 more pan that's large enough to cook like a casserole or something like that. Hold on, let me see. Cookware set. It doesn't actually mention it, but last time I was here, I got 2 frying pans, and this time I only have 1, and I'm supposed to have a cookie sheet. There's no cookie sheet. Here is obviously the refrigerator, and they always clean these really, really well, which is appreciated. See, ice maker smells like bleach, so it's clean. Then let's go ahead and move on over to the bedroom. The giant king bed. There's my kid outside, so I can do this. Get your TV, more storage, writing desk. There's a little mirror over here. You have access to the outside. This is the Savanna view room. Chair, lamps. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can hear her screaming. She's going for it at the top of her lungs. Bathroom. This is what I mean. It's hard to give a toddler a bath in here. It's so deep. I literally have to like climb into the tub trying to wash her hair. Lion King. Giant shower. There's a toilet. Closet. Ironing board. Giant safe. And there's some extra linens. That's it. So as you can see, we love these rooms. These are probably some of the largest rooms on property. So yeah, we totally recommend staying here. The only thing is if you have a toddler, be aware that sometimes it can be difficult because it takes a long time on the buses to get to Magic Kingdom. We were spending about 2 hours a day on transport, or more. So this trip, what we're doing is we spent the first few days at Copper Creek, did Epcot, did Magic Kingdom, and then from here we're gonna do Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom because they're what's closest to us. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.